too late. Regretting our mistakes. It got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize. We went too far this time. Come a little closer. There's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby. Please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry.
Hindi ka na sila gutom. Gutom! Hindi ka na sila. Wala na. Hoy, dito ko!
Mama! Sarap yung pinakain mo. Kaya ba yung magana kay kuya mo?
Let's go, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Kahit dito ka rin po.
Ano ito ba yan?
Hindi kaluko.
Anong kaluko? Kaluko? Si Milani Ogalismo ang nagluto galing sa Bicol! Wow! Ang sarap!
From 1 to 10, ilan ang score?
Ay, 100%! Sarap!
Sobrang bola!
Ay pa, happy birthday, enjoy your life. Sana mamuhay mo. Tapos, maging ingat kayo lagi dyan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Papa. Enjoy your day. Ano ang sabi mo? Enjoy your life.
Hi Lola, happy birthday! I'm Princess. Cute at stay safe. Dapat laging malusog at ingatan niyo ang sarili niyo at ingatan niyo rin ang mga apo niyo dyan at si Lola. Bye-bye, love you!
Happy birthday, Lola! I'm here sa RJ now ako ng Pogi na nagsasabi na sana masaya ka! Love you! Oh, thank you!
Hi Lolo, happy birthday! And ako nga pala yung pinaka-gwapong apo.
Manggagaya!
And sana
Manggagaya!
makapunta kami dyan sa next na birthday mo. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Lolo, and I wish you that you're always safe and mag-ingat ka lagi sa iyong pag-drive. Ingatan mo rin si Lola. Love you. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Papa! I miss you! Happy birthday! First birthday na hindi mo kami kasama dyan sa Las Piñas. Pero, don't worry, we're all safe here. And, mag-ingat kayo palagi ni Mama. Huwag niyo pababayaan isa't isa. Mama, I love you!
Happy birthday pa! Sana masaya ka sa araw mo na ito. Enjoy your day. Good health and stay happy with Mama. At huwag mo kakalimutan, nandito lang kami ng mga anak mo at mga apo mo na lagi nagmamahal at nag-aalala sa'yo. Happy birthday and I love you!